admire, to respect or like someone or something. Brave, not afraid of danger. Curious, waiting to know more about something. Honest, tell the truth. Lazy, not wanting to work or move. Generous, kind and giving. Confident, sure about yourself. Polite, having good manners. Clever, smart and quick to understand. Proud, feeling happy about your achievements. Grateful, thankful for something. Patient, able to wait calmly. Confuse, to make someone unable to think clearly. Encourage, to give support or hope. Improve, to make something better. Journey, traveling from one place to another. Ordinary, not special or different. Precious, very valuable or important. Relax, to rest and feel calm. Surprise, something unexpected. Tiny, very small. Trust, to believe. Someone wonderful. Very good or amazing. Respect, to show care or honor. To someone, valuable, very useful or important. Fearless, without fear. Handworking, putting a lot of effort. Responsible, someone who takes care of duties. Thanks for watching.